Hi, in front of me is CAT S61 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard. From here, go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available options. When you're done, you can pick one of these images, click at the chosen one, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off and tap Apply. You can do the same with one of these colors. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!